Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to tell you about respiration. The act or process of breathing, the inhaling of oxygen and exhaling of carbon dioxide is called respiration. You can see in diagram the nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchus, both lungs, diaphragm and pleural cavity include the respiratory system of human body. It helps in inhaling and exhaling of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Types of respiration. External respiration is also known as pulmonary respiration, while internal respiration is also called cellular respiration. External respiration occurs between environment and lungs, and internal between blood and cell. Here, external respiration. Exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide from the external environment and alveoli in the lungs. External respiration involves two stages, ventilation and the gaseous exchange. Internal respiration. Internal respiration consists of two distinct processes. First, exchange gases between the bloodstream and the tissues. Second, cellular respiration from which cells utilize oxygen to perform basic metabolic functions. Rate of respiration. Adults 40 to 20 per minute, newborn 40 per minute, and childhood 20 per minute. The respiratory system consists of nostrils, nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, lungs, bronchi, bronchioles, and alveoli, which together called respiratory tract. Upper respiratory tract and lower respiratory tract include in respiratory system. Upper respiratory tract consists of nasal cavity, pharynx, and associated structures. You can see in diagram. The lower respiratory tract consists of larynx, bronchi, and lungs, as given in diagram. Respiratory functions, pulmonary ventilation. The next is diffusion of oxygen and carbon dioxide between the alveoli and blood, transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the blood, and body fluid to and fro from body tissue cells. Non-respiratory functions. It provides route for water loss and heat elimination. It enhances venous return. It maintains normal acid-base balance. The other non-respiratory functions include it defends against inhaled foreign matter. It modifies, activate and inactivate material passing through the circulatory system. Here given the respiratory tree, which include trachea, bifurcation and primary bronchi. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching video.